I'm going to make a spacer between the plate and the solenoid so it gets up a bit higher. So what I did right here is mounted a screw there and there. This is the main fuse, as I said earlier. Got some connections to the battery and for the solenoid and to the M unit. And this is for the lighting that's gonna be mounted in the seat eventually. And as I said, with these screws are going to be countersunk down in the aluminum plate. And the wires are not connecting them up because we are probably going to do some more welding. When I do that, I take the M unit off. I've routed the speedo cable up with the brake cable and gave it some slack so we can steer. Routed it through this isolation and connected it up. Then over here we started making the cable for the rear brake. We are doing a mount that is going to screw into this plate and then like an L come out, so you can put the cable like that. We are making a mount underneath this, and this isn't going to be black. That holds the cable, and down at the back it's going to come through and end right here, and then the wire will go back to here to meet this. That's it for this episode. It's not the longest and not the most interesting, but it's a start for you guys to catch up in the building of this bike, and I'm really happy with the bike so far, and can't wait till we get the color on the frame and we can see the final product. But before that, as I said, we are going to test drive it and see that everything works as we want it to work and so on. And next episode, I think I'm going to go through the Yamaha TR3 and show you guys what's that all about. And as I also said before, we are picking up a BMW R100 RT, and the plan for that bike is to tune the fuck out of it. And yeah, big bore kit, the hottest cam we can get, and port intake. I'm going to make a D-port intake and twin plug it and so on. And I think that bike will sounds awesome. And we are going with the tulip. I think it's called the silencers on that, so we are going to have a very raw sound. And in the next episode, as I said, TR3, maybe some footage from the brake system on this bike, and then it's not so long before we can start it up. We can start it as it is, just need to tap up some oil and yeah, finish the seat, then we can take it for a ride. Hope you guys enjoyed this first episode again, and I'm looking forward to start making some good videos and keep them coming in a steady flow. And if you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, go visit my Instagram, Old Schools Online Bikes, and you can catch up between the episodes there. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.